Hello there. So this is just a short tutorial on how to use it. And yeah, let's get straight to it. So this model directly follows the tip of your fingers. So as you can see here. So now it has a little bit of momentum as well. So if it's supposed to be going fast, you're going to have to kind of like turn it like that. Now yeah, this is just moving around. Now we'll go into some of the other features. And yeah, now the victory symbol is what do you say, left click, and sometimes it may not render it, so you have to be kind of careful. So yeah, this is loading Wikipedia. Try not to get it outside the borders because there's boundary restrictions. I'm fairly sure. So let's just type out. This right. Sometimes you may need to put your finger outside the camera because to readjust it. An example here. We also have the scroll feature, which is crossing this. Put your hand a little bit down, put your hand a little bit up to go up, and yeah. There's there's also right clicking, which we'll also do. This is the palm, and so yeah, this is go up. Let's go back to the media pipe. Let's shut it off. Wonderful.